This is our first trip as a family, something we've very much been looking forward to. While we're here, we're going to rent an excavator to remove that dirt mound on the left side of the concrete slab. Since the building is coming, this is very important we get this done because that water will just sit against it and eventually leak into it all over the slab. So yeah, I hired a guy to build that pad for us, but what he did is he built it about 8 inches out of level, going downhill on the right side, left side being high. So the concrete guy that came in after discovered this and did a really good job at fixing it, but he had to dig it down on the left side, which left me with that high mound. And of course, the dirt work guy nowhere to be found now. Won't come back and fix it. So I got the excavator going here, and obviously not the right tool for the job, but I had to do this culvert, and I had to remove some tree stumps, so I kind of needed it. Got this water moved from this side of my driveway off to the other side there, so I dried that out, and we don't have a sloppy driveway anymore. So at some point, I had to just leave this dirt alone because I was causing more harm than good. But I got it all scratched away from the slab, and it pitches downhill now, so we won't have a water problem inside. It got so muddy that I ended up having to use the excavator to move the camper because there's no way a truck was doing that without getting stuck.